it's Abigail, and I'm going to show you how to make this really cute watermelon multi-purpose jar. To start off, you want a jar, you want some paintbrushes, some black paint, some green paint, some red paint, some silver paint, and some sparkly green paint. Sparkly green paint is optional. So you want to take some of your green paint and your optional sparkly green paint, and you want to just start by pouring both or just the green paint into the bottom of your jar. No paintbrush necessary yet. Now, once you have poured both or just the green paint into the bottom of your jar, you want to take your paintbrush and just swirl them together just a bit. Now you want to take your jar and you just want to turn it and start tapping and turning to get the paint all over the bottom and a little bit of the side of the jar. And once that completely dries, which might take a few hours, so pause here. And once it dries, then you want to take your red paint and you want to overlap the green just a little at the top, not too much, just a little overlap. But remember, green paint has to be 100% dry. Now you want to take your black paint and make seeds all over your jar. I like to do one on top and then one in the middle. And then this part is also optional, but it adds a little bit more to the jar and it adds the rim to the jar. So I would suggest to do this step. But what you want to do is you want to just slightly paint the rim of the jar, like that. Just slightly paint the rim of the jar. You don't need much paint, just very little. And if you don't have silver, you can actually use gold. Gold would also look really nice. And yeah. Now you have a really cute summertime decoration.